All right, hey, welcome back. Here's a short guide or a short tutorial, if you will, on how you can upload and sync all your other logs. So if it's not your DJI Go account, you can go to flight data here under logbooks, then go to upload flight data right here. And here you'll get a drop down of all the log types that we support at that moment. And right now that is Winthrop DGI Go text files and DJI Ground Station Pro text files, SenseFly, viability, and drone deploy. By the time that you see this, this list could have grown. Chances are very small that it shrunk. I'll show you how it works. It's very simple. You just select which log type that you're going to upload. So let's say I'm going to upload DJI Ground Station Pro. You can say for which project it is. So let's say Ariel surveillance, and it's my flight 2. Those logs I'm going to upload. They're all for my Phantom 3 drone, and I flew, for example, with this battery. Um, I was a pilot, and Chris was the observer. Then I have them right here in a folder. All my flights, I can just drag them all onto the platform like this. You see that they all get uploaded. Now we'll get a long list. If you want to remove some of them, you can still do that. I'll remove all of them but a couple like this. So now there's only one left. Then you click on submit, and then we start processing it. And then you'll see here in flight data, if you see what the last update date was, this is today. It's going to start processing it. This also can take some time, but it usually doesn't take a lot of time. There's another way you can do this as well, by the way, which could be a little bit more easy. If you have a project, and let's say that for my aerial surveillance, I did some flights. So I have the same folder that I showed you previously with all my flights that I did for this particular action in a project. I could just go to the action and then go to the flight step right here. And then here at the bottom, I can upload those logs as well. Now, what the advantage is here is I can just upload it. And we already know all the information, right? We already know the drones and the pilots and all that stuff, so we don't have to ask for it. You can just click on submit, and we'll start processing it, and you'll be able to see it right here in the flight data as well. If you then do it like this, you'll see that it will start appearing somewhere right here. It says not synced because we're still processing it. So it could take a couple of minutes, but then you'll be able to click the preview button right here to replay your drone flight. So you see you have all this, but I'll tell you more about the logs later.